Hello traders, if you have been following me, you will know that I've been keeping a journal on trading $100,000 account from the Funded Trader program, and today is the fifth day of me trading this account. From the first day to the fourth day, which is yesterday, I made $10,000 in profit. So I'm back again today to continue trading to see if I can continue making some profit. Here is Euro USD and I'm about to sell Euro USD. Firstly, on the 4-hour time frame, we have this bullish trend channel, and then this horizontal support and resistance. Here it is, this resistance also. Price is now giving us the bearish structure. You can see this bearish trend right here. So on this zone, you can see that price pulled back and give us some weak rejections, and you can see these weak rejections, this pin bar and this pin bar, also this doji also indicates that this currency is about to continue going bearish. Now back on the 5-minute time frame, you can see these rejections also, and these strong bearish candlesticks indicates that indeed Euro USD will drop, but something can happen and Euro USD can go back to being bullish, like the fundamental analysis. I'll check my economic calendar. This is daily FX. This is where I usually check if I have any high volatility news. So for today, I only have two high volatility news, one from Canada, and that's it. It's only Canada. The other news has been released already, which is Australia and its interest rate decision. So the Canadian news that will be released is the balance of trade, and since we will not be trading any card currency pair, I'm about to sell Euro USD. If I was going to enter a trade on any card currency, I wouldn't have entered the trade because a high volatility news will be released. So I'm good to go to sell Euro USD. Now I've entered a sell position on Euro USD. So I'll go back to the 1-hour time frame to put my take profit. I'm back on the 5-minute time frame. I'll put my stop loss. Now my stop loss is at minus $1,460. So even if my stop loss should get hit, I will still not violate the daily drawdown that the Funded Trader program has put in place as a rule. If you use your trend line also, you can see there is a pattern here. You can see this pullback and this pullback also. Back on the 4-hour time frame, if I use my Fibonacci ratio, you can see here is the 50 ratio and here is the 61.8 ratio. What I'm going to do now is I'll just pull my take profit down to the 50 ratio. So now that my take profit is at 50 ratio, I'll remove this Fibonacci. Now here is the 1-hour time frame, and here is my take profit. My take profit is now at $10,000, and then I want to enter another trade on Euro CHF. We had this bullish move. Back on the 4-hour time frame, price broke out of this range. Then back to the 1-hour time frame, we had two pin bar candlestick, which is a reversal candlestick pattern. I'm also going to go for a sell here. Here is the 1-minute candlestick. Price just broke this 1 minute zone, so I'm expecting Euro CHF to also go bearish because of these candlestick signals. Back on the 1 minute, I'm also going to go for a sell here, but I will use lot size of 5.0 because I already have an open trade which I use 10.0 lot size. Good, now I've sold. Here is our Euro CHF trade with a volume of 5. I'm going to remove this. I'm also going to put my stop loss using the 1 minute time frame. Now I've just put my stop loss. Here's my stop loss at minus 962. On our Euro USD, our stop loss is at minus 1,460. So in total, I'll lose not more than $2,500, which I will still not violate a daily drawdown rule. Using the 1 hour time frame, I'll put my take profit just close by. And here's my take profit. My take profit is now at plus $2,200. So if my take profit should get hit, I'll make a profit of $2,200. So now that we've entered our 2 trades, we'll wait for some hours to see how our trade has gone. We hope that our trade won't hit stop loss. Hello traders, I am back after some few hours and our Euro USD trade is closed. Our stop loss got hit. We sold at this breakout here and our stop loss was here. You can see price went down for a bit. We were in profit, but it pulled back up and hit our stop loss. It's not a big deal. We'll keep on trading. Euro CHF trade is still open, but I'm going to close this trade now because I'm done for today. $210. So I'm going to close this trade. Now I've closed my trade. We opened 2 trades today. One of the trades, our stop loss got hit, and the other we just closed with $190. So in total today we lost $1,269. It's not a big deal. We'll recover that. So we will be back tomorrow to continue trading, but for now, if you have not registered for the Funded Trader program, use the link on the description of this video and register. You don't have to buy the account now. You can register and then buy the account later on when you have the money. And if you want to enroll on my course, the link is also in the description. Click the link and enroll. I'll see you all tomorrow.